Hello everyone, welcome to John Mac Classroom. In this video, I'm going to discuss the example for function and graph. Given the function f and g as below, so find the f row g and g row f. So let's begin. F row g is equals to, substitute the g, x, which is the x plus 2 into the function of fx. So where we have 2 minus bracket x plus 2 squared. So kindly expand the situation. We have negative bracket x squared plus 4x plus with the 4. Simplify the situation. So we will have negative x squared. Next we will have negative 4x minus 4 plus with the 2. And finally we will have negative 2 for the function f row g. Next, focus on the g row f. So in here we have the g row f. So meaning that substitute the function fx, which is 2 minus x squared, into the function of g, where we have 2 minus x squared plus with the 2. So finally, g row f is equals to negative x squared plus with the 4. So that is the situation for f row g and g row f. Next, focus on the part A. So here mentioned that we have to find the domain and range for f row g. So in here we notice that the f row g is a quadratic function. So in order to find the domain and range, what we have to do is to make sure it is the standard form for the quadratic situation. So kindly refers to the f row g, and we have to completing the square and make it become the standard form. So let's begin. Here we have the situation. Make sure the coefficient of x squared must be 1. So completing the square. So we have x squared plus 4x plus bracket square minus bracket square plus with the 2. So kindly refers to this part. We have 4 over 2. So simplify the situation. Negative bracket x plus with the 2 bracket square minus we have 4 over 2, which is equals to 2 squared. We have negative 4 plus with the 2. So finally we have negative 2. Expand the situation. Negative x plus 2 bracket square plus with the 2. So that is the standard form. So since the value of a is a negative, which is a less than 0, so we will have an n-shaped graph, which is the maximum point. So the maximum point is negative 2, 2. So based on the situation, we have the symmetrical axis, which is x equals to negative 2. So kindly refers to the question. We have the domain for f row g, which is a quadratic, so negative infinity until positive infinity, which is not 1 to 1 function. If the situation asks us to define the situation so that it becomes 1 to 1 function, so the domain for f row g will be equals to, start from negative 2 until positive infinity, or we have negative infinity until negative 2. So that is the case for 1 to 1 function. Next, question asks us to find the range. So if we want to find the range, we need to refer to the value of y. So the range for f row g would be, because it is the maximum point, so the highest value would be the 2. So starting from negative infinity until 2. So that is the range for the situation. B kindly refers to the situation g row f inverse. So what we have to do is to make sure it is a standard form for g row f. So let's say we name the situation g row f as a hx. Okay, so in here, let's have a statement y equals to hx. So h inverse y is equals to x. So let's begin. Y is equals to 4 minus x squared. What we have to do is to express the situation x in terms of y. So kindly rearrange the situation. X squared is equals to 4 minus y. So square root both sides. So in here, x is equals to square root for 4 minus y. So do remember, it is the 1 to 1 function, then only we can say we have the inverse. So the value of the situation would be x greater than 0. So we only take the positive side. So at the end, the h inverse of x is equals to square root for 4 minus x. So that is the inverse for the g row f, inverse x square root of 4 minus x. Kindly refers to the question C. determine the value of x. For the situation, we have the f row g, which is the negative x squared, negative 4x, negative 2 equals to g row f, where we have the negative x squared plus 54. Kindly simplify the situation, and we notice that we can simplify this part. So we will have the situation negative 4x minus 2 equals to 4. So kindly simplify the situation. So rearrange, we have negative 6 is equals to 4x. Next, x is equals to negative 6 over 4, and the x is equals to negative 3 over 2. So that is the situation for the question C. So here we are, and thanks for watching.